In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make me an admin of your page, and the reason you want to do that is so I can add extra features such as donation tabs and stuff like that. So the first thing you need to do is go to your business page on Facebook. So here's mine. This is Spinning Planet. I'm just going to use this as the example. Then go down to Settings, Page Roles, and then all you need to do is search for my name. Now I need to have liked your page first. So if I search for Brynn, oh, there's too many Brynns there. We'll go Brynn Nielsen. There we go. Click on Brynn Nielsen. Change from editor to admin. Now I need admin access because then I can reply back to Facebook when they say, are you a real company or are you a real non-profit organization? And all you have to do is click add, and then it sends me an email saying that I'm an admin of your page. And that's how easy it is to make Brynn an admin of your page.